Kubleshbun pigi parlok lawan biang ke channel jonga mentangin patch pangka Amending Act of 1781 lane kataka Act of Settlement. Ka Amending Act jong snem khan nhau spa prapway lane kataka Act of Settlement. Balay lapan mi ka Act ka Regulating Act jong snem khan nhau spa nhau pulai kalawan rabun kijing namar baka Supreme Court badu Governor General kiju tuklar haka kam jong iway ya iway. Ban penbet iha kini kijing ka British Parliament kalapan mi ya ka Amending Act jong snem khanyaw spa praphuay kabala tipru kumka Act of Settlement. Kibenta bakong san jong kaneka Act. Kabaningkong layada yo Governor General batki officer jong ka company. Ka Supreme Court kamla shuban bishar ne pinshitom yo Governor General ka Council jong u ne kinong tray jong ka company halor ki kam ba kilale ha kabenta jong ki kumki officer. Kabaar ki kam jingedai bat ka khajna lane ka revenue lapalaj na ka Supreme Court. Ki mukot duma ki bayadai bat ka lum khajna bat ka pisa jingyo jong ka sarkar kim hap hapo ka bor jong ka Supreme Court. Kejingye kaja halor ke khajna lapan bet daki officer jong ka company om da ka court. Kabalai ka Supreme Court ka don bor ha Kolkata henrai ka hap board iki anchmet. Ka Supreme Court ka don bor wan bishar ki beriu ki ba sa ha Kolkata. Hapa bishar ki mukaduma yaki Hindu la bishar kat kum ka Hindu law yaki Muslim la bishar kat kum ka Islamic law. Kabasaw kejingkerpat lani ka appeal na ki provincial courts. Ladaw num skohun ya karai jongka provincial court unhap ban let shau Governor General and Council om shaka Supreme Court. U Governor General ulong bakam halor ban bishar kini ki appeal. Kabasan u Governor General and Council uyo bor kambon. U Governor General and Council ula ban thao yaki an bat ki kendon ban penyat yaki provincial courts bat ki provincial councils. La ai bor u ban penbha bat penyat bahaya ka sensyar pa haki jela. Mentangin petang hakaway ka sentence ya ka Amending Act jong snam khanyo spa prapway. Ka Amending Act jong snam khanyo spa prapway kala penduna ya ka bor jong ka Supreme Court. Kala yada yaki officer jong ka company haba kile yaki kam sarkar. Kala pelaj yaki kam khajna na ka court. Kala buram ya ki anchimet jong ki nyam baper. But kala penklaim ya ka bor jong u Governor General and Council. Amending Act of 1781, also called the Act of Settlement. Kini syadin kidai hakaktian pareng te pila ban pause hi ka video bat sapulehi kanang bapen kam sautu kam bahas syusyo. Kublai Shibun